The breath builder. Breathing instruments. Exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I've prepared a video that is part of a series in which we will see breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column necessary to play any wind instrument. In today's video, we see the breath builder. Let's start. While we play and perform the specific breathing exercises, we must try to be so relaxed that the air enters and leaves our body naturally. When we inspire, our rib cage expands and the diaphragm lowers. On the contrary, when we exhale, the diaphragm rises and the rib cage returns to its natural position thanks to the work of the floating ribs and the diaphragmatic muscle. The diaphragm is located under the lungs and with a convex shape. When we breathe, it goes down, helping the floating ribs to expand. The rib cage covers from the clavicle to the floating ribs, and that is where the diaphragm is located. The thumbs and the indexes represent the clavicule, and the rest of the fingers the floating ribs. When we breathe, and with the help of the diaphragm and the floating ribs, the rib cage expands. With these exercises, we will expand our lung capacity and learn to use it at 100% at all times in a controlled way and without tension. We don't use the full percentage of our capacity, the rest will be completed with unnecessary tension and force, dificulting our breathing control when playing with our instrument. The breath builder, it's a plastic tube that contains a ping-pong ball inside. In the upper part of the main color tube, we can find 4 holes of different diameters. These holes allow us to regulate the resistance offered by the device while performing the exercises. While using it, we can adjust the resistance by covering or uncovering the holes. At least, there must be an open hole, and we must keep in mind that the more we cover in, the difficulty level will be increased. In addition, in this device, we have 2 additional plastic tubes that will serve as a link between our mouth and the tube containing the ping-pong ball, one wider and one narrower. The narrow tube is recommended for woodwind players except the flute and trumpets. On the other hand, the wider tube will be used mostly for the rest of the wind instruments since they require more air volume during execution. The goal will be to carry out complete and constant inhalations and exhalations without the ball coming down from the upper edge of the tube. I mean, the ball must remain up continuously both the inspiration and expiration. In order to increase our lung capacity and strengthen the air column, we can plan your study with the help of a metronome. We will perform full exhalations and inhalations and may even reach hyperventilation. Therefore, it's necessary to have a support point nearby in case at any time we feel dizzy. As we increase our lung capacity, we will gain resistance and endure the exercise for a longer period of time. Next, we will carry out a practical exercise with the breath builder. Exercise number 1. With the metronome at 60 beats per minute. We exhale and inhale quickly and fill the empty entirely. We will do 4 series of 15 full breaths. number 2. Through practice, we can go up the tempo metronome and get inhale and exhale the same amount of air in less time. We will do 4 series of 15 full breaths. 90 beats per minute. I recommend you to do these exercises and those of the rest of the video series during the breathing exercises routines prior to the study with your instrument, and you can check the significant changes that will be reflected in your control of the air column and your sound with your instrument. This was all for today. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in all my social networks, on the YouTube channel and on the website of MusicBayside.com, where you will find lessons, videos, blog and many more things for you to achieve your goals. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the Music Bayside community. On the website of Music Bayside, MusicBayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside, and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.